Hello guys, welcome to my new video. My name is Tonic and you're also welcome to my channel Tonic Codes. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create this beautiful website with the layout, with everything you need that you're just looking at it right now. So be patient, follow along with me and I will appreciate your time. Before we get in, I will just have one request that I will put request so that if you are new to my channel, please hit the like button, subscribe, and also comment. And you can also share to your friends so that they can see what I'm doing here. So I will start right now. Let's just jump in. Let me minimize my screen. This is the folder I was working on it. So for the new ones, I will just create another folder and I will call it, I will just name it by my name. And then I need to open this folder. On the desktop, it is here. We'll open that folder. Then I will create some file inside. And the first one will be index.html. And I will create another file for our CSS. I can name it anything apart from saying CSS, but CSS is just what we use most. So and this is our thing. So I can open this with a different text editor. For me here, I'm using a VLC, and for your case, you can use any type of any type of text editor that you know and you like it, so you kind of use it. But as for me, I'm going to use this. Let me remove this and let me open my terminals here. So here it gives me the other one. Let me open the whole folder so that we have our things inside this folder of ours that we just named. So the advantages of using VLC, it gives you more reliable saving time whenever you are making any changes. It automatically save and update on the web browser, so you just don't need to reload every time. So yours will just keep updating and the VLC will just do its work in the background by reloading itself, loading your page itself. So now, instead of coding every structure of HTML, here we have a simple way of doing it. You just shift and then exclamation mark in the you just tap the letter one keybar, then you tap enter. It will give you everything that we need there. And then I will give my title as my web page. What we need here, we need to link our CSS, and it just give me everything. It's very simple. Now here, what I will do, I will just create a simple section. I will have a section here, and this section I will have it a header that is ID, and we just give it tap enter key. It will give you everything. Here, I will create a nav. In a nav, I will have a UL. Within UL, we have the LI. These are lists in HTML, and within here, I will put an anchor link. so that when we hover on our menus, it will have a cursor pointer. And whenever we put anything within this reference, whenever we just indicate where we should refer this page to, it will, when you click, it will take you there. That's why we need this link. So here we'll call it home. And simply we duplicate this by holding Shift plus Alt and then the down arrow key. When we type it, give you everything. And for the other text editors, we don't have this. So I will put this as index. Here we'll put apply. So here I'm just giving just a name of what I think, something like school website, and I will just call it the contact. Yep. And then here, uh, in the nav here, I will put our image here. And this image, let me give it a div. I will name it a class of logo so that to make it simple for us. Then within here, I will put a. Okay, let me put a span. Need to have some span there. And after I span, I will have this one, the studio. Okay, now let us open this with a live server. With the live server, we have this as our web page right now. So what we need next is to design it to give it our CSS so that it will look at least better. Now we copy this class header and I will come here, Control B there to open the Explorer. Now I will put what we call a universal class, and I will say padding to 0, margin to 0, box sizing will be border box. After here, and then, okay, so I will style this. I will have a background and one color of aqua, and the width will be 100%. The same as height, it will be 100 view height. You can also have view width. You can see this one update itself instead of we reloading it every time. And here I will have my nav. Within the nav, I will put some padding. This padding I will have a 0 from top and bottom, then 10% from left and right. Then I will display flex, then line item to the sector, and I will justify content to space between. And you can see these things has moved to the right side. So let me close this tab here. Have a clear working space. And here next we are going to style our logo here. So for our logo, I will say font size of 30 pixels. And I will have a span within it. That span, I will font size it like 50 pixels. 50 pixels. And I will have it some different color. I want my color to be at least some reddish red. So I need that. This map. Next, we're going to style our nav menu. So we say nav, UL, and LI. And then we'll put a padding. We'll have some 10 pixels from the top. Then left and right it will have 0. And I will have a margin of 20 pixels. And I will have font size 20 pixels. Okay, we display as inline line block. Wow. Then I need to say text text transform. I will capitalize so that we have the first letter of each decimal to be capitalized. Now we are moving smoothly. Next we will have some. After this nav, I will put another div with the class content. And here I will have heading 1, and I will say welcome to. Then I will have a line break here. I want the other line after this BR to jump to the next line. Welcome to Swain Studio. Then under it here I will have a p tag. Simply just type lorem. I will need some very small text here like lorem 9. Okay. In this line, it's too big, it's too big, it's too big. So at the last here, we remove this line. And here we'll break this line again. And here we have our text here. So what we need is this content, copy, Control C, then Control V, paste. I'm missing something there. So I will put some padding. This padding, I need padding of 10% on the top, then 10%. So this will apply, first 10% will apply from top and bottom, then the other one to left and right. Here you can see it's based from left and right, then top and bottom. And I need this one again, and I will say heading 1. I will increase the font size to at least 50 pixels. And then I will have some margin from the top to 10 pixels, so that it has some space. So even here for the text of tag, need okay. I will remove this.
Maybe niko sure, maybe ni.
Mm.
Ani kape di chile ang babelo malete no wede.
Uh,
Aja aku ye kape to.
uh, Sorry for an interruption. Just something that I was just fixing. So I think we were here. I need this. Basically, I got what I need. So to give us a space between the top text and the paragraph. So one thing we have forgotten here is that we need our image there. So within our folder here, we need to put an image. Sorry for interruption. So this is the image that we need. So I will copy it from here. I will copy, then I will paste it here. There's our image. Get back here. So for this, I will have another division here. With the class content. Then img for the image. So we don't confuse it with the other content. And we enter. So we don't need this one there. Oh, so we missed that one there. So div dot content img. Okay, there we go. We put our image here. Then we just write as the name of the image. .png. So this one we don't want it there. And here we have add content. And see the image is here down. So we need to give it as CSS. Here we need to give it as some movement left. From left we need to give it some 50% so that it will move to the right side. And we'll have it positioned as absolute so that it will move up. Yeah. And one thing missing here, we say bottom should be 0. It should be 0. So you have seen the image has moved up, but it's too big. So to fix it, we need to copy that and say img for the image itself, and we reduce the width. So width, let's say 150 pixel. So 150 pixel is too small. So I will just give it 400 pixels. Now it is better. It's better for now. And here I will increase it so that more farther to the right. Yeah. Then need some background. Need some background color of reddish, something that's similar to the background a little bit. And there we go. So we'll make it at least to have some light color. So that would be better. Yeah. And then here we'll put some border. We need the border radius from the bottom left and another one from right. So here we'll give it 100%. Same as here. You can see it here. Very smart. Very smart. Then Z index would be 1. And from nav links here, we need a Z index at least 10. And to show it, we must need some position of relatives. There we go. Now it is looking very nice. And I think within this, so we need this thing within here. We have copied it in a wrong position. That's why when we click, when we hover on it, it doesn't give us any hover. Like the cursor doesn't turn to, supposed to turn to a hand pointer. It will change color, Yeah. So to fix this, we need to copy this and just there and indicate I mean, that will tell us text decoration should be none so that it remove that underline. Then we give it another color, not column, color of black. Now you see I can hover on it, so very cool. So another thing we need from here, we need a button. So I will just get A and I will say get it started. Get it started. This one is within the content, so we need to copy this content and add the supposed to be a class and add a give it a width at least 200 pixels and padding of 20 pixels from 10 pixels up and bottom and 20 left and right, and we have some margin of 15 pixels and 0. We need to have some text decoration. Text align will be center. Text decoration be none. Font size 20 pixels. Background some reddish. They're making some similarity of the color uniform. So I think that color is good. Then, okay, where's color? We need to add some color so that it remove that coloring. We'll make it subsistent. Those colors, black, border radius, very small one for pixels, and most position. We'll make a position absolute. Oh. hmm I think this look nice. On addition, I will add some things when we hover. When we hover on it, we need background. Need the background to be this aqua and border to be 1.4 pixels and color this color is solid. Then we need color to change as white. Yeah, there we go. And this is the final one. That's it. More very small, beautiful website. And I can thank you for that. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.